This is not a drill. Keep calm and proceed to muster point.
Sierra, we have received a fire alarm. We're evacuating the building.
Hey, where's the fire? I don't know. Yeah, what's going on? Where's Joshua?
Immediate override on all internal security gates.
Have you found Joshua yet? No. Everyone to emergency muster point now. Jenkins, go. I don't know.
I'll evacuate G block. You move on to C and D.
Evacuate the building. This is not a drill. Keep calm and proceed to muster point.
Where do you reckon he is?
We heard about Josh. Have they found him?
No, I think Jess has got him.
Oh, of course she fucking
Fuck it
has.
out.
I'm not waiting for the screws to fall.
Hey, Franky. Hey, B.
Frankie, where are you going?
B.
Not a drill. Keep calm. This is not a drill. Keep calm and proceed to muster point.
Sierra 7, why are the gates still locked?
Fire has caused electrical faults. We need to override them individually.
Fire brigade's on the way. Where's Anderson's baby?
The only area we can't get to is Industries.
Let's get to Industries. Okay, we split up. You take the corridor behind the laundry. Okay.
Evacuate the building. This is not a drill. Keep calm and proceed to muster point.
Hurry! Hurry!
What have you done?
It was water!
Give me Joshua! Give me the baby!
All right, go, 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 go!
Red, get up. Red, get up. Come on, mate. Come on, get up. We gotta go. What was that? Josh. You right?
The grill! Huh? Run the grill and run and see if you can kick it out! Quick, pass him through.